Blending and interpolation techniques and applications. Introduction to blending and interpolation. Blending and interpolation are essential techniques in various fields such as graphics, data analysis, and machine learning. This presentation will explore the fundamental concepts, methods, and real-world applications of these techniques. Understanding these principles will enhance your ability to manipulate and analyze data effectively. Key techniques of blending. Blending techniques involve combining multiple data sources or images to create a cohesive output. Alpha blending, color blending, and weighted averaging are crucial methods. These techniques are widely used in image processing and computer graphics to achieve seamless transitions and enhance visual quality. Applications of interpolation. Interpolation is vital for estimating values within a dataset. Common methods include linear, spline, and polynomial interpolation. These techniques are applied in fields like geospatial analysis, animation, and signal processing to create smooth transitions and fill in gaps in data. Conclusion and future directions. Mastering blending and interpolation opens up numerous possibilities in data manipulation and visualization. As technology advances, the integration of these techniques will become even more critical. Continuous learning and experimentation will help you stay ahead in this evolving field. An in-depth guide to keyframe and skeletal animation. Introduction to animation techniques. In this presentation, we will explore keyframe and skeletal animation. These techniques are essential for creating dynamic and engaging animations in various fields, including gaming and film. Understanding the fundamentals will help you master the art of motion and bring your characters to life. What is keyframe animation? Keyframe animation involves defining specific points in time where an object's position, rotation, or scale changes. By setting these keyframes, animators can create smooth transitions and movements. This technique is widely used in 2D and 3D animations, making it a fundamental skill for animators. Skeletal animation uses a rare, hierarchical structure of bones to animate characters. By moving these bones, animators can create realistic movements without the need to animate every detail. This technique is particularly effective for complex characters and is commonly used in video games and animated films. Keyframe versus skeletal animation. While both keyframe and skeletal animation serve the same purpose of creating motion, they differ in approach. Keyframe animation offers precise control over every movement, whereas skeletal animation provides a more flexible and efficient way to animate complex characters. Understanding their differences is crucial for choosing the right technique. Best practices for animation. To, object, to achieve the best results in your animation, consider these best practices. Plan your animations thoroughly. Doon sa kabila. Thoroughly use reference materials and maintain a consistent style. Additionally, always test your animation to ensure they look natural and engaging. These tips will enhance your animation skills significantly. Conclusion: Mastering animation. Mastering keyframe and skeletal animation is essential for any animator. By understanding these techniques and applying best practices, you can create captivating animations that resonate with your audience. Keep practicing and experimenting to refine your skills and unleash your creativity.